26 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it to get rolled over, man.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 26 here. Hey, we back with another episode of the LS Swap, guys. So, man, this video is gonna be broke down in a lot of different days, man. We gotta get some stuff wrapped up. We gotta get the floor finished up, which Anna's doing right now. As y'all can see in the background, it's lit up right now. Me and they're finishing up the floor. We gotta get bolts tightened down. We gotta touch up our paint, and we gotta get the fuel pump thrown in and wired up before we get ready to fire it up, man. So just showing y'all, man, we are getting going on the LS Swap, man. So we're going back with the that floor patch that we had to put in there, man. That was the only side messed up on the floor. So we're getting that done so we can go back with our paint up under the bottom, touch it up one more time, and then we're gonna throw our gas tank in and start wiring it up, guys. We gotta get this baby going, man. Like I said, that show gave me a whole lot of motivation, man. We had to get back going on the LS Swap, man. I told Ann the other day, I was like, hey, man, I need to come in here and finish up this flow. ASAP, we need to get going. So that's what we doing, man. We back in it. We also gonna keep your eyes out, man. We going back with this small box Chevy Swap as well, man. Stuff is getting painted, man. It's starting to get dusty and dirty again, but we getting stuff done, guys. We getting stuff done. My drive shaft. I had to end up getting my man to press out the whatchamacallit, man. They was so stuck in there I couldn't get them by hand by punching them out. So I had to let him press them out for me. So we gotta get this cleaned up as well, get this painted, gotta get some bolts painted, a few little things like that, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. I'm gonna tell you a little bit what we got going on. But y'all take a moment right now for me, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. Let y'all know what we got going on in 26. That's a hole. Man, you hit that. Gotta touch it back up.
Huh?
Gotta touch it back up.
Yeah, there's a hole right there. I must have missed it. No, I pushed it through. That's what I did. That's thin right there. So I ain't stressed it. I can fix it. I can fix it. I ain't stressing it.
All right, guys, so we back, man. More with the LS swap today, man. We're gonna go ahead and throw the fuel system up, guys. We're gonna go ahead and throw the fuel system. We got the Holly pump for the Cutlass, man. For the LS swap, 58 PSI pounds of pressure fuel. We got a new gas tank. We got new straps. We got a fuel regulator for the Corvette. So we're gonna try to get this mounted up today, man. Just a quick public service announcement, guys. Man, I had to end up pulling my wire harness back out, man. I ordered the wrong harness, guys. So y'all make sure y'all do your homework, man, and make sure you get the right harness, man. So I just went ahead and pulled that out. I got the correct harness ordered last night, man. So gotta wait for that to show up. But until the end, man, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw this fuel tank up today, guys. We got new straps, like I said. We got new straps, new fuel pump, new tank. We're gonna go ahead and get this strapped up, mopped up real quick, man. We just gonna get a little bit done every day, man. We don't want this stuff to delay us no more, man. We ain't trying to get delayed no more, man. So let's hop on this real quick, man, and I'm gonna turn it back on and give you some more, man, when I'm making a little bit of progress, man. Y'all keep it locked. All right, guys, so we got our pump installed, guys. Keep in mind, man, if you're installing on a 78 Cutlass, man, you do have to remove the fuel sending unit to get the pump inside the tank. Just some quick Phillips head, man, easy, man, came right off. Was able to line it right back up and throw it back on, guys. So y'all keep that in mind, man. What we about to do now is throw it up here, get it mocked in place, man, so we can see how we're gonna run our lines. Our fuel access rail is on the driver's side, so we need to get it up here, see how we're gonna mock these lines. We are doing some guys, I forgot what that line is called. But we're using the hard lines with the AN fittings. So we need to get it up here, get everything mocked up, how we gonna run it, guys. We're gonna throw that fuel pressure regulator on before we get that all mocked up, get the tank up. The lines ran to the fuel pump regulator, so we can see how we're gonna run it up to the front, guys. So y'all, that's what we got going on, man. Y'all keep it locked. I'm gonna give you a little bit more. Guys. Can't throw you up on my stand right now. I don't think it's worth, you know what I'm saying, mocking up, doing no recording of it. So we just gonna keep it going, man. So y'all keep it locked. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got our AN fittings and our lines made. If you doing a clean install, baby, it should look something like this, baby. Yes, sir. Clean install, good. Clean install. AN fittings. Fit in just right and tight. So we gonna get this thing mocked up, man. We're gonna go ahead and get her up. Like I said, we got new tank straps, everything, man. So we're gonna try to go ahead and get this thing mocked up, man, get it set up. So y'all like what y'all seeing so far, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for me, man. Hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. I'm gonna keep giving you a little bit at a time, man. We moving forward. Moving forward, man. Y'all keep it locked. Guys, look at me, man. Look at the sweat bead, bro. Don't take this little short video as oh, it's easy. Man, these new straps, fault, boy. Them things fault. Yes, sir. But we got that thing up there, bro. We got it up there. We got a fuel regulator mounted. We got that mounted. I don't know if y'all can see, man. It's a little dark up under here. Got this tank up, man. These straps whoop my tail, boy. I done bust out a whole sweat. In a whole sweat, cuz. Got the lines, AN fittings made. I got my my fuel pump line ran out, man. So we got that done, guys. We got that done. So we just need to tie in our lines and then run our lines to the front, guys. It's basic, ain't nothing too crazy or hard about it, man. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video, man. It's getting kind of long, but any y'all got any questions or comments, man? Y'all hit me up, man. Hit me up, send your boy a comment or anything. Y'all got any questions, man? But I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And we'll catch y'all on the next one, man. We out.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up.